With our mortise hole locations cut, we need to do a little bit of cleanup before we move on. If we take a look inside the mortise hole, we can see there are fragments of wood. These will interfere with the adjoining pieces and cause things not to line up properly. Clamping it in a vise, we can gently use a chisel to clean up the inside a little bit. And when we flip that, we will want to use a block to help clamp this square. And I'm also going to take just a little bit of 80 grit sandpaper and just very lightly sand the surfaces and the edges of this mortise location. And once that's cleaned up, our front legs are complete.